pick up stitches along the edge of your heel flap, you're going to turn your work and you should be able to see right on the very edge this column of V's. You might have to kind of pinch this to really see the edge. And this is where we're going to be picking up our stitches. So I'm going to take the tip of my needle and you can see where our working yarn currently is, and then there's a V below that. So I'm going to insert my needle under both legs of this V. And then I'm going to wrap the yarn around my needle like you would for a usual knit stitch and just drag it back through, keeping that wrapped yarn on my needle. And then I'm going to do that again for the next stitch. So you can see where the working yarn's going through this V, and we're going to want to go into the one below it. So I'm going to insert my needle under both legs of this V, wrap my yarn around and pull it back through. And just keep going like that down this column of V's for the number of stitches listed in the pattern. I've now picked up all the stitches I need along this edge, so I'm going to knit across the front of my sock and then I'll pick up stitches again on the other side. I've knitted across the top of my sock and I'm ready to pick up stitches along this side. So again, looking up this column at the very edge of the heel flap, you can see these slip stitches. And so I can see the first ones right here. So I'm going to insert my needle through both legs of this stitch. I'm going to wrap the working yarn around it and pull it through. And then you can see the working yarn's going through this stitch and there's another V above it, so I'm going to insert my needle under both legs of that V, wrap the yarn again and pull it through. And then the next stitch, you can see the V above there, insert my needle under both legs, wrap the yarn and pull it through. And I'm just going to keep doing that until I've picked up all the stitches I need.